The Self That Unravels is a frontier experiment at the intersection of art, neuroscience, and the perception of the self. A creation by Alfredo Pacilio, founder of the Poetics of NeuroPsychoArt. Through repetitive transcranial magnetic stimulation, rTMS, the experiment targets deep brain areas that make us feel like ourselves. The Precuneus, seat of autobiographical memory and reflective consciousness. The Inferior Parietal Cortex, where the body map is woven. And in some cases, the Temporo-Parietal Junction, where the self meets the other. But in this artistic scientific protocol, the stimulation is inhibitory. It doesn't activate, it suspends. The gravitational center of identity is selectively weakened, allowing what lies beneath apparent cohesion to surface. It is a perceptual composition, a living artwork. Here, the machine dissolves the veil of identity like a sculpture carved by subtraction, not addition. The subject, immersed in the experience, begins to lose their boundaries. The body fades. The I, that familiar narrative center, breaks apart. The self that unravels is not a simple experiment. It is an embodied question posed to consciousness. Who are you when you no longer are?